Chapter 13 is often called the wage earner plan. It is for people who have regular income who are able to pay their creditors based on the amount of their surplus income every month over a 3 to 5 year period. All types of debts can be included in Chapter 13. Back mortgage payments, property taxes, IRS taxes, credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, student loans. As a matter of fact, all types of debt. Chapter 13 allows you, like I said, to pay your creditors only based on how much you can afford every month. So the court looks at your income and expenses, and once the court decides that you can only pay a certain amount, and the court approves the repayment plan, then the creditors must accept. And in a lot of cases, a lot of the unsecured debt can also be reduced because they're not paid in full, through Chapter 13.